Hi, welcome back to another video. This video is for those who are interested in effective science communication learning. In one of the previous video, I have briefly described the amazing science communication course certification course by iBiology and how to register for it. If by any chance you have missed that video, please check out that video. You can find that link in the description box or in suggestion. Do you know that video is even shared by the iBiology team on their Twitter handles and various social media platforms? So go check out that video and register for that courses to learn more about the science communications tips from various science communicator or leading scientists. In this video, I will be talking about one of the biggest conference on effective science communication, that is ScienceComm 2020, which will be held online on August 14 to 16. If you want to register for this effective conference, then do check out the link below in the description box. Here in this video, will be talking about how to register for the this conference and the schedules and various all the necessary information about the conference. So please do watch this video from start to end. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like button to support us and never miss any update on various opportunities. So let's start the video. The 2020 ScienceComm conference is organized by and hosted by UNL School of Biological Science and College of Art and Science. And this conference is totally dedicated to understand, promoting an effective communication of science to deliver an audience. And any student can join this amazing conference across all venues. The good point is that you don't have to go anywhere. This conference will be held at online, mostly via Zoom virtual meeting. You can learn more about the missions and the key area focus and the major topic of this conference by scrolling down to this page. Also, there will be many workshops will be organized or held at this conference venue or before the starting date of this conference. So you can also register for that workshop. There are limited seats, so please do apply as much as soon possible. And also the last date for this conference, registration for this conference is this 1st of the August. So for this conference, click here, register now. Then it will transit you to the conference registration and abstract submission page. To register for this program, you have to first create an CSMCE application or registration portal account for this registration for this conference. For this, you have to click here, register here. Then it will transit you to the CSMCE application registration portal. From there, you have to click on create an account. Carefully fill the details like first name, last name, email ID and password, and then retype your password and then click on register. After this, you will get a verification email which contains a specific link to verify your account, but sometime you have to wait up to 50 to 30 minutes for that emails. If you don't get any registration verification email, then you can try to create an account by using different email ID. I have faced this problem. I have got the verification link after 3 hours, so do not wait for that. You can use different email ID to register and create an account. Once you will get an registration verification link on your email, please click on that link, or you can copy that specific link, and it will transition you to the registration portal, and here you can see your account has been activated. Once you have created your account, then you can log into the for the registration or application portal. Then select the program you are applying for. This institute offers various programs like Science Comm virtual conference is currently organized, and also this STEM Connect scholarship for 2020 program which supports students in their study. I will be talking about this scholarship in later part of this video. You can see here the closing date of the both programs. To register for this Science Comm virtual conference, go to the action bar and click view, and here you can see that your profile is has not been completed or submitted notification. Scroll down to see more about the tentatively schedules of this conference, or also the various workshop. And here you can see the Science Comm virtual conference, your registration, your application status. There is a total 5 to 6 steps to register and submit the final applications. Once you complete each step, then you will see the status as completed instead of incompleted. So I will introduce one by one about all these steps. For first step, youth activity safety policy, click on view. Here you have to click the statement which applies to you, like provide a full legal name and the phone number, and then click on register save. Then go to the general information and click on view. Here you have to provide your preferred name, your address, and personal information. Here you can see the first 200 people registered before 1st of August will receive promotion materials in their mail before the conference begins. Note that they are only able to see this to the address in the continent of United States. Once you have filled your proportional information, include your name of organization or institute and your professional position or title. If you are a student, if you are a researcher, science communicator, whatever, write down that post. You have to select the category of science and science communication which do you identify with your current profession, collegiate career. Then you have to select a time zone. If you don't know the time zone of your country or your location, then here I have provided the 2 links from where you can find the time zones. Here in this map you can see the different color indicate different time zones, and you can select a specific city, know more about their time zones and current times, dates, whatever, various information. You can go to the time zones and copy that information and paste into the time zone section. If you don't find the standard time zones mentioned in this form, so there are other way you can find that information on Wikipedia. According to your country and city, there are the list of the time zones, so you can find that information there. If you have completed that step, please click on save. Then go to the Film Festival Friday section. This is a perfect opportunity for the high school student, undergraduate and graduate student to give their talk or provide a 3-minute pre-recorded videos where you can describe your research and can be a public call to action video. Also, you can propose an argument why the public should support research in the area of your interest, and there will be a public choice winner and judge choose winner to each demographic. for this you have to first record an video which should be downloaded. For that you have to provide a downloadable version of your MP4 formatted video, and also you have to provide a 100% synopsis in English, and the video should contain English subtitle, and you have to submit this video by August 3 on this email ID. There will be only 40 talk will be selected for this competition, so you can select the yes and no for this. If you are just attending for the conference, then select on no. Or other category also, like micro length video, you can read about more there and view and about the viewing and judging and awards ceremony. Once you have completed this step, please click on register and save. Then go to the performing art, presentation and networking activity, Saturday activity. This event includes dance performances, spoken word music performance, along with various virtual bingo networking activity. If you are planning to attend this online Saturday program, which will be held at August 15th from 7 to 8:30 Central Times, then click on yes, and if you want to just register for the conference, then click on no, and then save the application. And there is now only one step is remaining to submit your application. Then click on submit registration, and here you have completed the all process for registering for this conference. Once you have completed all these steps, you will see a completed mark in green color in front of each section. After making the successful registration, you will get an successful registration emails and email within 30 to 40 minutes. Sometimes it takes 1 to 2 hours. Now coming to the remaining part of that small program, that is STEM fellowship programs offered by this institute. Major thing is that this is especially organized. This is especially scholarship for the US citizens, so you can read about more there. And keep in mind that the last date of this scholarship program is the end of this month. You can check various opportunity offered by this institute by clicking on this various section, like conference and event opportunity and outreach programs, or you can subscribe to their email list to get up to date information on various things. Hey, if you like this video, so please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update on various opportunities. And also I do recommend you to follow us on various social media handles, where I do also post about various opportunities from PhD position to fellowship to scholarship and many things, and also many giveaways and free passes for various conferences and certificated programs. You can read more about this initiative motto of this initiative there. So stay connected with us and keep coming back to our channel. Till then, keep learning, stay healthy, take care, bye bye. I will see you in the next video.